Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my Living the Sweet Life journal. I finished it up and I'm super excited the way it turned out. If you haven't seen the last couple of videos that I've done, I do record a video every Friday and I post those every Friday. So if you are interested, I will leave a link down below of all my journal with me, and you guys can check those videos out. In this particular journal, I decided that I wanted to do a waterfall effect in the journal. I love how it turned out, and I will definitely be doing this again in another journal, and just love how it turned out. So let me go ahead and kind of walk through what I did. A lot of this I did on camera, but a lot of it I didn't. So let me walk through all of it. So the first one, this really gorgeous yellow paper, was the first one. And I ended up using the cut off pieces in different areas in this journal, which I'll show you, because I just think this color is so pretty. So I did a little cluster here on the end, back to the end. I love how it hangs off the edge. And then this was the second piece, was this really cute little stationery with lemons on it. So when I cut it, I decided to go ahead and glue it to the middle of these two pieces. And then what I did was I made little a pocket here with four little pockets and added these little tags. I did these all on camera, so they just slide into the little things. They're all kind of different. I love that they're all kind of a little different. This one is just pretty simple. And then this little pink one has a little strawberry on it. And then this was a book page that was in the book, sewn into the book, and I just cut it to be a tag. And then I added a stamp here with a lemon and did a whole reinforcers. I meant to add something to that, and I guess I forgot. And then I added just a sticker here with some, I think those are lemons or peaches or something. And then here's my watermelon page. I love how this one turned out. I can always add a piece of paper here if I want to journal on here, or might just leave it like that for decorative purposes. This is like a little adhesive or acrylic piece that I had. I love how that turned out. And then I've got a little sticker collage right here. This is just covering up the brad on the other side. And then for this one, I did the same thing with the tag. And then I put the piece of the yellow paper. Looks like that actually got glued down. And then I put a piece of the yellow paper here from the cut off of this piece for some journaling. And then I have a little card tag here. This I made on camera, and then just slips into this little pocket. Got some mason jars and some stamping here. This is a little journaling card I can write on both sides with a tab. This tab came from the Dollar Tree. It just slips right in there. And then I just added some stickers here and a little tab right here on this side, and then another tab on this side. Added another little cluster with this little cute die cut that I have of some pink lemonade. Added some words. And I added this word too just because I liked how it looked when it was closed. And then another little cluster here. I did quite a few different little clusters. And then just added this, and then I added a little ribbon at the top. And here's this is another piece of that original front piece. Added it to make a pocket, layered some stickers up. And then this was the recipe card, which was a little bit too big for this page. So I just cut the recipe part off and then added a tab from the Dollar Tree, and then put a bit of sunshine on the tab, and that kind of just sticks out, so when it's closed you can see it on the outside. Love how that looks. And then just added this keep it cool because it's actually covering up the brad for this little adhesive piece. This is a little acetate piece. And I definitely wanted to use this paper, so what I did is I just glued it down here and folded it, and then this little piece just kind of keeps that closed. And then I decoupaged, I took the napkin and I just took the lemons and cut that out and decoupaged it with some glue, and it kind of turned it pink, but I kind of like that. And then this just sticks in here, right here. I can journal in here. Had a little milk jug tag thing, and I included that in that little collage as well. And then I did add the bookmark to this page. I just taped it in like I normally do. And then there's this little pocket came with it. I got some glue there, it looks like. This little pocket came in the collection, this little envelope, and this just opens up. It's a little sticker. And then I just stuck this little thing back here. And then again, stamped a little piece of lemon, kind of put some fabric on little fibers on the tag. And then I glued the napkin piece to this. I love that it's like pink on the other side, and put this little sticker at the top and the little tab on the side. This is my watermelon or my pineapple page. I love this. I had a couple of these acetate pieces. I got these from Studio Calico a little while back, and I got these stickers from the Dollar Tree. This was the little bag that came in the collection. This was the last little piece of the cut off piece of the front. And yeah, so just, I love how this turned out. I love that like the little things hang off the side. Just add a little sticker here, some stickers. This is one of the little envelopes that came in the collection. And then this is the tag that came in the collection. I just loved the red, pops of red. Added another one of those tabs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and put some stickers on the side. And then this was a piece of like notebook paper that came in the collection. So I just included it and kind of made it a spread like the other spreads. This was another piece that came in the collection, so I just included that in there. And then on this side, this was inspired by one of other Cheaply Chic's design team members, and I cannot remember the name of her thing. It's like Renewed something, but I'll leave a link to that video down below, so if you want to check her out. She actually did something similar to this, where this is like a little pocket. I didn't find anything to put in there, but I'm sure I will find something. And then I just covered it up, and oh no, it's stuck. And then I added these little tags down here. Yeah, so, and then I added the little piece to the back. So that is my Living the Sweet Life journal. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I am don't know exactly how I'm going to use this yet, but for me, it's fine if I never even pick up a pen and put anything in this, because quite frankly, it's a work of art as far as I'm concerned, and I don't even need to use it. I just, the creating the pieces and the pages is the fun part for me. So if I never use it, I never use it. And that's fine with me. All right, guys. Well, that was everything I wanted to share with this journal. I do have the other kit. I just got the collection and her latest collection, and I'll start working on those. So next Friday will be the beginning of that collection. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again